I'm gluing down an area that I'm getting ready to roll up onto it. I rolled it back a little bit so I can go over and make sure that I've got that part definitely glued. That's already been glued once. I come out about 4 feet, no more, because I can't stretch that far.
Yeah.
I get every inch with the product. And I be sure not to over glue, because when I over glue, that means that I can't come up here tomorrow
And work out any bubbles or anything.
because it's not cured.
Yeah.
Now it might be different in the summertime, but this, what I'm doing right here, this thin to win,
Yeah.
is plenty of glue.
Looks really good, man.
I go back a little further than I once was, just to make sure I'm pulling out every bubble. And the great technique about this is, if I do find something here, a little rock, a little piece of wood, I can roll it back out.
Pick it out of there and fix it. That's good. So we're doing this video today to show you guys just how a rubber roof gets glued in place. And then Dave's done hundreds of RV roofs. And so we just wanted to kind of give you like a little generic video of, you know, when he's applying the glue to the roof, making sure he's got even coverage on it. And he's gone through and replaced this, was an OSB roof prior. And we've resheeted it with plywood. And this particular coach is actually 8'6". So these sheets were 9-foot sheets that got cut down. And then he's gone back and he's netted all the seams, countersunk all the screws, gone through and any imperfections in the wood. He's filled them and sanded them down with wood putty. He's gone back and duct taped the sides so that it just gives it another layer of protection, you know, so that the rubber material doesn't run through the side of the edge if there was a sharp edge over time. And then we just take a bunch of little extra steps when we're doing stuff, like he was just saying in the video. You know, as he's doing this section by section, he can go back and unroll it if there's something that doesn't look good or something that sticks out. Areas up front that you see up there that look a little bit saggy, that's because there's vents and skylights that are going to go